We're here at ABC Chefs, located in Chesterfield, for our cooking summer camp.
Hi, my name is Chef Isla, and I am one of the head chef instructors here at ABC Chef's Cooking Academy. Some of you may know me from some of the cooking shows I've done, like MasterChef Junior or Chop Junior. The kids love it because it allows them to have the ability of learning new foods and trying new ingredients while making new friends and having fun.
Well, I'm a new instructor at ABC Chefs, and I help the kids cook and learn new recipes. The kids come in, and of course they're all energized and ready to go. And then we usually give them their aprons, and they're really excited about that. And then we split them up in groups, and we take them into different tables.
My first encounter with ABC Chefs was when I was 9 years old. I enrolled in this camp. We learned lots of new things, and so that's why I started working here, because I learned how fun it was, and I knew how to teach the kids.
My name is Lexi, and I'm 10 years old. My favorite thing that I made at camp this week was the rainbow bagels. My favorite thing about the rainbow bagels was how colorful they were. I made a lot of friends at ABC Chefs, and they're really nice. My name is Cannon, and I'm 9 years old. I got to learn new stuff. My favorite recipe was gooey butter cake. I'm gonna make them at home and eat them. ABC Chefs is the best ever. My favorite thing at ABC Chefs is to make cakes and recipes. I love cooking because I learn stuff that I haven't learned before. My favorite thing that I made was the pizza. I love the part of rolling out the dough. ABC Chef is a place where you learn stuff that you haven't learned before.
I love ABC Chefs, and I instantly loved it when I came and worked here. And I love the kids here because they're so nice and they're ready to learn new things and cook, and they always make the best things. So either way, whatever we make, I always love it, and I love the kids, and I love ABC Chefs.
So here we are teaching the kids how to cook, combine ingredients, and when they cook and make recipes, they're learning a little bit of science and how to make really good dishes for their friends and family. On top of the kids learning teamwork, they also learn skills that will last them forever.
I never thought cooking at ABC Chefs would ever bring me as far as to cooking on national TV, being on Food Network, and even cooking with Chef Gordon Ramsay. Starting here is absolutely amazing to see my progress as a chef growing for the last 7 to 8 years. Some kids that come into our summer camps are shy or nervous to start cooking, especially in front of other students. But when their dish comes out of that oven, you see this shocked look on their face like, wow, I made this, I prepared it, and I did it while learning and having fun with my friends. It's really important for me to share my passion for cooking and food with other students that come into ABC Chefs.